Up in the Northern Hemisphere, they reckon November to April, winter, is the best time to hold stocks. So they say sell in May and go away. It appears to have caught on in Australia. Today's dismal performance also wiped out most of this week's gains. Property groups were in the firing line, as were mining, energy and banking stocks. Austal was smashed after losing out on a $5.5 billion contract to build 10 US Navy frigates. And Australia's biggest wine company, Treasury Wine Estates, was hit with a second-class action for allegedly misleading the market about its poor performance in the US. The economic data in the US was pretty dismal as well, and that weighed on equities everywhere. The housing market is losing steam. Melbourne, Hobart and Canberra did not gain ground in April, but generally the moves were fairly modest. So when we look at the regional and national numbers, they are still positive for the month and year. But the storm is coming. Auction clearance rates have plunged, so price expectations aren't being met. And sentiment, which tracks house prices pretty closely, has also collapsed. The Australian dollar has taken a bit of a tumble right across the board. It's now well under 65 US cents. The local currency has been one of the world's strongest against the US dollar over the past 6 weeks. Our share market has underperformed during that time. The US Federal Reserve has undermined the American dollar by printing money, but much of last month's global optimism about economies beginning to open up and Australia's handling of the COVID-19 crisis has been channeled through the Aussie dollar rather than the share market. And that's finance.
Thanks for watching. You can check out more finance news by clicking there. And don't forget to click subscribe down there to get all the latest updates from ABC News.